never thought a peaceful weekend at my lake cabin would turn into a confrontation with the HOA's most infamous enforcer, Karen. The plan was simple. Host a quiet, off-the-record meeting with the state attorney general to discuss some ongoing community legal concerns. Nothing flashy, just coffee, conversation, and some documents. My wife and I had spent days preparing the place to look professional but discreet. This cabin was our sanctuary, a small slice of serenity away from city politics and suburban nonsense. But that morning, as the Attorney General's car pulled into the gravel driveway, trouble followed close behind. Karen, known for wielding her HOA authority like a weapon, had apparently been monitoring suspicious activity. Around the lake, that's code for nosy with too much time and too little power, she saw an unfamiliar vehicle, me in a suit, and my wife, who was wearing her service badge, discreetly clipped to her belt, and jumped to wild conclusions. Before we could even close the door, she stormed in. "You can't hold unauthorized meetings on this property," she barked, ignoring every social cue and personal boundary. "This land is under HOA jurisdiction, and I will report this to the board." I was stunned. The AttorneyGeneral.com and Collected gave her a raised eyebrow. "Ma'am," he said firmly, "I'm in the middle of an official consultation." Karen scoffed. "Nice try. You expect me to believe you're some government person? Please. This is clearly some shady real estate meeting." At that point, my wife stepped forward gently, but with command in her voice, and pulled her badge from under her jacket. "I'm a federal agent, ma'am," she said, "and you just trespassed into a secure meeting with the state attorney." General Karen's face drained of all color. She blinked rapidly, searching for words. "For the first time in her life, I think she had nothing to say. I recommend," my wife continued, "you exit the property immediately before this becomes a federal matter." Karen backed out of the cabin like she had seen a ghost. No apologies, no excuses, just quiet, confused retreat. The Attorney General chuckled as he sat down. "Quite the welcome committee you've got here," smiled. "That's our neighborhood. Karen, she thinks she runs the country." He leaned in. "Well, today she just ran into it."